So I'm knocking out some repairs, and I thought I'd show you guys real fast. This is going to be a refurbish of the repairs, and we got this guide. Now, there's many ways you can take this off. Let's see if we can focus that up. I'm going to do this with one hand. This is what they use to take golf grips off. I use it to take off grips and also to take off thread. So what I do is I just take it right down the side. Now I'm doing this one-handed, bear mind you, but get the idea of how it works. Let me see if I can set up my other camera. All right, so this is a golf grip remover, and basically, all I do when I do redo repairs and such is I get the grip, the blade, between the grip. See that? Between the foot and the blank. So I don't scratch the blank, and I peel it up. So this is funny. I have no idea who did that, but it's just funny to me. So all I'm doing is put it in between, scraping it up. Whew. I use some like 2-ton epoxy. If I have to, I'll go from the other side. There you go. Done. Show you on this one. So go right between the foot, right at the frame, and the foot between the blank. And I'm just going to slide it down. So if I scratch anything, I'm scratching into the foot. Back this way, with the camera in the way, it's not the best. But we get it done. There you go. Done deal. Golf grip. Taking grips off and to removing thread. So if you like, please subscribe. The giveaway is still going on, so I'm a bit messed up here for the rest of the video. I got the numbers mixed up with the video, so this is actually number 21, and to go back to get all the news and info about the giveaway, you have to go back to number 20. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Thanks. Bye.